Hi, this is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Doc channel on YouTube. Today we have an interesting function here that we need to find a derivative for. This function is not hard, but it's tedious. So the trick here is keep track of what you're doing and write carefully. Okay, slow is fast. So let's take a look at. I'm going to call this function A. I'm going to call this function B. F of a prime, it's really easy actually. It's take the first derivative for the first term, okay, and then you add a b prime of a. Okay, now this is the easy part. Now let's get right into it. Derivative of the a, we have 6 times 5 times 9x plus 1 to the 4. The reason I don't multiply them out is because I know I'm going to be gathering terms later on. The less I multiply, lump them together, the better I can see what the fractions or the factors are. Okay, so that's the first term. I'm going to bracket. I'm going to multiply the second term, 9x minus 5 squared. Okay, so I'm done with the first one. I always tell my students, don't squeeze everything back over here, because number one, you're going to run out of room. Number two, you can't picture which one is where. It makes factoring a lot harder down the road. So leave them out, spread them out. Okay, now we're going to take a derivative of the second one, which is over there. Let's put it over here because it's going to look the same here. Okay, so it's 2. Oh, actually here I forgot a 9 over here. Okay, because I have to take derivative of this part also. So I have a 2, 9x minus 5. Okay, I'm going to multiply by 9 on this term, because this is the b prime. Then I'm going to leave my a here, which is 6, 9x plus 1 to the 5th. Okay, let me make sure I got everything. This one is a 9. This one has a 9 because I have to use the chain rule to take care of the parts that inside. Okay, now next part is the tedious one. Okay, we've got to take everything that's common out. Let's go for the big factors first. 9x plus 1, and I have a 5 here, of course. 9x plus 1 to the 4th comes out. Okay, now I compare this one. I have a 9x minus 5 comes out to the 1 power. Okay, because obviously I'll line them up right here, so I see this is the least power and this is the least power. Now let's see what's left on the first term. I have a 6 here, I have a 9 here. I have a 6 here, I have a 9 here. So let's pull a 6 out and pull a 9 out. What's left for the first term? I have a 5. Okay, 9 is out, 6 is out. I have the only thing that's left, that's 9x minus 5. Okay, 9x minus 5 with a 5 times that. And then plus, let's take a look at what I have left here. 6 is out, 9 is out, so 2 is here. Okay, so plus 2, I have a 9x plus 1 left. Okay, so far so good. And then we have a 54 over here. 9x plus 1 to the 4th, 9x minus 5. Okay, and then here, all I have to do is multiply them out. 45 minus 25. Okay, I'm going to add, this is 18x, and I have a plus 2. Okay, so I'm going to combine this, then I'll be done. So the problem is not really hard, but I think the hard part for a lot of students is keep track of what you're doing, and you don't want to lump things, and you want to write, give yourself the space. Notice the space here I'm trying to leave myself up with, so later on when and if I do need to go back to check, I have space and I have time. Okay, I have a 63 over here, and I have a minus 23, and I believe that's the final answer. All right, hope this helps, and have a confident day.